Hi, this is Mrs. Anderson. In this little video, I want to give you a refresher on how to multiply rational expressions. The key here is going to be factoring first. So let's get started on number 1. On the top left fraction, I have got the expression x plus 2, and there's nothing I can do with that. So I'm just going to leave it alone, but I am going to throw parentheses around it to remind myself it is a factor. I'm going to move to the denominator. I notice that I can factor that. And the factors would be x minus 3 and x plus 2. If you're not fast at factoring, talk to me and we can do some practice together or go back to some other modules. I've got lots of practice links in there. Okay, moving on to the other fraction, the top part. I notice that 6x and minus 18 are both divisible by a 6, and so I'm going to factor that out first. It's called a GCF. What I'm left with is an x minus 3, and I can't factor that anymore, and so that's it. And then the bottom, the 5, there's nothing I'm going to do with that right now. Now, when you're simplifying, any factor that appears on the top and the bottom, you can cancel. Remember, anything divided by itself is 1. And I'm going to rely on that universal math rule here. Now, I also have an x minus 3, and so that factor can disappear. And whatever is left is your answer. So this particular one has an answer of 6/5. Okay, I'm going to run you through another example. If you want, hit pause and try it yourself, and then hit play and see how you do. So the top left, I've got x minus 4. There's nothing I can do with that, so I'm just going to leave it. The bottom is a 7. Nothing I can do with that. The top of the next fraction, I notice the terms are divisible by 3, and I'm left with an x plus 5. And the bottom of the next fraction, I can definitely factor. I'm going to use an x plus 5 and an x minus 4. Now, I've picked these expressions on purpose because I know a lot of the factors are going to cancel. And not every time you multiply does all the factors cancel. But in my examples today, I'm trying to keep them pretty simple, and a lot of them will cancel. So I can cancel the x plus 5s, I can cancel the x minus 4s, and once again I'm left with a 3 and a 7, and that's just my simplified answer. Sometimes you're left with more, so keep that in mind. Okay, I've got one more example. Again, maybe hit pause and try this without me. So the top left, I notice the terms are divisible by 4, and so I'm going to factor out the 4, and I'm left with x plus 5. On the bottom, I can definitely factor that. The factors are x plus 2 and x plus 5. And then the top right of the next fraction and the bottom of the next fraction, there's nothing I can do with them, but I am going to throw some parentheses around the top just to remind myself. And once again, I've got a lot of factors that are going to cancel. The x plus 5s are gone, the x plus 2s are gone. And across the top, I technically have 4 times 1 times 1, and across the bottom, 1 times 1 times 9. Okay, there were 3 quick examples. Good luck on simplifying rational expressions that are being multiplied. See you next time.